Good morning, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We are ready to rumble and do this new brand house. Beautiful, beautiful house in Windermere. We have all our equipment, vacuums, squeegees, ladders, extensions, anger squeegees, detergent, everything is set to start doing the windows in and out, plus everything inside. We bring our crew for window. They are professional window cleaners. I'm partnered with Pablo in this big job, and they're gonna do an amazing job. We have been really high recommended in this job, and this is a custom house in Windermere. A lot of windows, and the challenge about that is the sun. You need to be a professional to clean in and out without any kind of streaks and remove all the dust from corners and edges. High ladder. They're opening the windows, so they're gonna start cleaning and remove all the dust. In the meantime, we're gonna start doing the bathrooms, sanitize and clean all the surface. As I said, a lot of windows in this house. Some paint. I don't know if you can see here. Okay. So I have a person upstairs working on the glass, do a detail in all the edges. Good job. And another person in the front entry, in the foyer. They're gonna use a vacuum to vacuum the window sill, and we're gonna go downstairs through the elevator. They're using a light vacuum with extension.